What is good, meteorology enthusiasts? What is good, Twitch? Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing we exist. We are excited to bring you another meteorology segment. So here are the surface winds of the Western world. How about the jet streams, you ask? Well, there are the jet streams. Major divergence over the Atlantic Ocean, a doubled up jet stream, very coherent, as well as a powerful anticyclone here. That is east of Greenland. And let's take a look at the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from Unda. Extreme bends in the jet stream over the Pacific Ocean. And over the Southern Ocean as well. Doubled up jet streams over Australia. Here are the surface winds of the eastern world. And let's blast through some more data. Let's look at the snow forecast. So this is the current state of snow depth. And we're going to advance this into the European forecast here. This is going to show you pressure and snow depth according to the European model. And it looks like Pennsylvania is about to get some snow. We may actually see some snow here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And we're going to stop this on Friday to make it a 72-hour European model snow forecast. A bunch of snow about to fall in the western U.S. if this model's correct. 72 hours is not an unreasonable time frame. Anyway, there's where the European forecast puts snow depth over the lower 48. Virginia and West Virginia expected to get some snow. That's the European snow depth forecast and pressure forecast for Friday, December 10th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Let's take a look at some other models here. Here's the GFS model for temperature anomaly, expecting anomalously warm temperatures over the central part of the U.S. here for most of the next 72 hours. And the cold temperatures are expected to subside around the Great Lakes and bring in some warmer temperatures. Again, that's a GFS model for temperature anomaly, and it is in Celsius. Next, the GFS forecast for pressure and precipitation over the same period of time. And the GFS forecast must have temperatures a little bit higher than the Euro forecast, as it's showing largely rain events around places like Nevada, Utah, and Colorado. Again, that's a 72-hour GFS pressure and precipitation forecast. Here's your weather.gov map, and Alaska is lit up. Check it out. Blizzard warnings and all kinds of stuff going on around places like Anchorage. Also, coastal flood advisories around Hawaii. Do you think that's going to cause some additional volcanic activity at Kilauea? Let us know in the comments about that. Anyway, if your county's lit up, click on it, as we can't cover all the counties at the moment. But if you have a custom weather request, let us know in the comments. We'll consider doing another video, perhaps just for you. So leave us a comment if you've got specific weather requests anywhere in the world. As if you understand the physics, you can forecast the weather. Here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S., it looks like at the moment. A bunch in the Atlantic Ocean. None on the ground. Lightningmaps.org is where I go when I hear thunder on the regs. And we do stream live on the regs. This video is actually streamed live to Twitch originally. Twitch.tv/smAsho. Good morning to TinMan1057. Thanks for leaving a comment. Twitch.tv/smAsho, our main source of live streaming content, since YouTube is such a pathetic cauldron of censorship, nonsense, and fraud. We typically do our live streams on Twitch. We're also on BitChute. Thanks to everybody viewing over there. If you're only viewing on BitChute, make sure you view on YouTube. 90% of our content is being missed if you're only viewing someplace besides YouTube. And since we're paid just the side of nothing to put the content up, please visit our links. Perhaps pick up some merch if you'd like to see these videos continue to exist, be publicly visible, and free for all to view. Check out the merch. It's pretty sweet. The print quality is ridiculous. Thanks to everybody who's picked up merch. It looks like Universum Liberate has moved up. So that's today's featured product, Universum Liberate. Please join the Galactic Special Forces. If you're sick of the Space Force and of the Earth Force and Earth in general, Milky Way Galaxy team for the win. Join the Galactic Federation Special Forces. And don't forget to enter the promo code Finish Line through the day today to save 25%. They make great gifts, and they can still probably get to whoever you're sending them to by Christmas. Finish Line is the promo code to save 25% site-wide. Also, if you're thinking of buying a bike, you can find links to Go Bike Shopping. If you want to buy a bike, I'll help you shop for it. I've been doing this a while, so drop me a line at curated.com. Curated.com, your cycling expert, Dan Nigro. Drop me a line if you're bike shopping, or even if you're like upgrading or looking for gear, advice, etc. I'll hook you up. I'll be your personal cycling expert. If you'd like to support the channel via the Smash Team, check out smashamash.com/SmashTeam. It's a subscription service that we've replaced Patreon with, something vastly superior, our own website. It has capabilities Patreon only dreams of. So here's a little teaser for our latest posts. And some of these posts, most of our posts, are public. Throughout the year 2021, 'tis the season to give free content. Let's get back to meteorological stuff. Here is the water vapor scenario over one of the most desolate parts of the world, the southern Pacific Ocean. There's nobody out there, but there's some dry air. Lots of dry air in the southern Pacific Ocean. Here's the northern Pacific. And the atmospheric river is closing down here. There's a blocking pattern happening up here. And it looks like the atmospheric river has been pinched off by some dry, massive air. Let's take a look at more data. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar. Precipitation in both Alaska and Hawaii. Let's focus on the lower 48. Some snow falling in the center portion of the U.S. there. West of the Great Lakes, also in New York. Looks like some snow in northern Pennsylvania. Here's the cloud layer. It's the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Shortwave Radiation Map. Great at showing clouds and fog at nighttime. Here's the water vapor. And a large band of moisture there stretching all the way from San Diego to Ohio, to Lake Erie, really. Large band of moisture there. Let's do a recap. There's the lower 48's Doppler radar. That's radar.weather.gov. Here is the cloud layer, as it's still dark over half the country. And here is the water vapor map. And if your Doppler's lit up, just look at the water vapor. It'll help to give you insight. Hopefully that helped. Hopefully you're able to forecast your own weather. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted, Naaman News. Opinions expressed in this video and on the merch, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, Least Busted, Naaman News.